Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to work on the right side. So click on the sources, just press Ctrl P, then watch .css. Over here will be dots. The first thing I want us to do is this section. So this one over here will take the first column. So if you check here, click on this one, let me show you. Right, we have line number 1 and 2. So the watch page, that's this one over here, will take line number 1 and 2. So go to your sources. So over here will be dots, yt dash left dash main dash session. Over here I'll give it a grade dash area to be main dash video, then weight to be 63 view w, that's viewport weight, and also margin to be 0, 20 ps, 0 and 0, then semicolon. Then I want this one to take line number 2 and 3. So this one be dot, then paste it here. So this one be grade dash area to be recommended dash videos, then semicolon. So copy everything from here, go to your VS Code, replace this one with the copy text. Now go to watch.html. So remove this one from here. So over here we have a session with a class of yt dash right dash session. Then inside it we have our list. This one over is a list items, as you can see over here. This one over is a list items. So over here we have our UL with a class of yt dash label dash items. Then over here will be li, then our button. The button over here has a class, remove this one from here, as a class of yt dash button dash label dash item. Then this one be d dash flex. Then over here we'll give it an ID of selected dash item. Then this one be all. So now copy this one from here. Copy this one from here. Then paste it for 3 more times. So now don't forget to save it. Okay, as you can see, why this is what we are having. Okay. So the first one is all, the second one is listenable, the third one is form, lesbian, the fourth one is watch. So this one over here will be listenable, and this one be from less brown. So remove this one from here. Also remove this one, and also remove this one, and this one over here will be related. So now go to your browser. So as you can see, this is what we have. So now let's style it so that it looks nice. So just press Ctrl P, then watch the CSS. First, let's remove all the bulletin from here. So it will be li, then this one will be play style, none, button, border to be none, background transparent. Okay, so now copy everything from here. Go to watch.css, replace this one with the copy text. Go to watch.html. Over here, attach a class to cursor dash pointer. Copy this one from here and paste it here, and also here, and also here. Okay, so I want this one over here to be display flex so that you can see side by side. So copy this one from here, go to your sources. Over here will be dots, then paste it here. This one will be display to be flex, then flex direction to be column, then padding to be 0, 0, 10 ps, then 0, then semicolon. And the next thing I want us to work on is this one. As you can see, by the links over here are sitting side by side, so I want them to sit side by side, so we'll use flex for it. So copy this one from here, go to your sources, dot, then paste it here. This one be displayed to be flex. Justify dash content to be space between, then align items to be center. Okay, so copy everything from here, go to watch plus here, replace this one with the copy text. Okay, so the next thing I want us to work on is this one, yt dash label dash. So copy this one from here, go to your sources, watch the CSS, dot, then paste it here. Over here, I want the background to be gray, the background color of this one to be gray. So this one be background to be ampersand 2b 2a 2a, then semicolon, then color to be white. Then border dash radius to be 25 ps. Padding to be 0 ps, then 15 ps. Font dash size to be 14 ps. Height to be 32 ps. Then outline to be thin, solid, then ampersand 464545 semicolon. So copy everything from here. We place this one in the copy text. So now the next thing I want us to work on is when the user will go on this one, I want to change the background color. And also I want the active, the color to change. This one, the color to change. So how am I going to do that? Great. Okay. So let's make this one F3, F4, F2. And let's make this color to be ampersand 000. Okay, that's nice. So this one over here will be the dark gray color. So this one will be ampersand selected dash item. Then this one will be background to be ampersand 2b 2a 2a then semicolon. Then color to be ampersand FFF. So as you can see over here, this is what we are having. So when the user hover on it, I want the background color to change. As you can see over here. To what? So let's check. Click on this one. Okay, so when the user hover on it, I want the color to be this one. So copy it from here. This one will be dot yt dash pattern dash label item colon over, then background, then semicolon. Just refresh it. As you can see, so when the user hover on it, this is what is happening. So now the next thing I want us to work on is this one. So this is the recommended video. So inside this one, but outside the right section, we also have another section with a class of yt dash recommended dash videos dash session. And over here we have our article. With a class of yt dash recommended dash video, then d dash flex, then cursor dash pointer. Then inside it, remove this one. Inside it, we also have another div. We have a div with a class of yt dash thumbnail, dash image. Then inside this is our image. So if you check your image, we have so many thumbnails that you can use, which is here. So you can choose any of them. So this one over is the channel profile. This one is our thumbnail. So over here will be assets slash images slash thumbnail 1 dash 1.png. Then the next one over here we have a div with a class of video dash info. Then this one over here is our a tag. Inside it we also have our h3 with a class of miniature dash title. So you can give it anything that you want, maybe productivity. Then we also have a tag with a pip, then with a class of miniature dash info. Then this one will be less brown. You can give it any name that you want. Then over here so is a p paragraph with a class of miniature dash info. Then this one is 143 or 145k views. Then dot. Then this one be a span with a class of miniature dash info 1 year. Ago. So now go to your browser. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is what we have. So now let's style it so that it looks nice. So click over and inspect. So the first one that I want us to work on is this one. So click on this one, copy this one from here, go to your sources, over here just dot then paste it here, remove this one from here. So over here we'll give it a height of 94 ps, then weight to be 100%, the margin to be 8 ps, then 0. Then we have our element, then so over here click on a plus icon. Let's give it a weight to be 168 ps. Then also click on this one rather, and also height to be 100%. Okay, so now click here on inspect again, sources, then we'll give it a margin be 0, 8 ps, 0 and 0. Display to be flex. Then just file content. That's content to be center. Okay. Then over here we have dots. Video thumbnail image. So we have YT dash video thumbnail, then image. Over here we'll give it a weight to be 100%. So the next now I want us to work on is this one. So copy this one from here. Then over here will be dots. Then paste it here. Give it a weight to be 50%. Height to be also 100%. The margin dash left to be 10 ps. So the next thing I want us to work on is the title. This is to copy this one from here. Dot, then paste it here. Give it a font size to be 14 ps. Color to be ampersand 030303. The line height to be 1.5. Font dash weight to be 500. Overflow heading. Mass dash height to be 46 ps. Then text dash overflow to be ellipsis. Then white dash space to be normal. Now copy everything from here. In your watch dots, over here just paste it here. Okay, so now go to your browser. Okay, this is what we have. The next thing I want us to work on is this one. So click on a plus icon, click on this one. So over here we'll give it a color to be ampersand 606060. Then margin to be 2 ps, then 0. Font size to be 12 ps. Then line dash height to be 1.2, 1.5. Then font dash weight to be 400. Then semicolon. Then over here will be dot miniature info. Then colon m child 1. Over here give it a font size of 14 ps. So now copy everything from here. No, just paste it here. Remove this one from here. Now go to your browser. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we are having, and everything is looking nice. So what you need to do is that go to your watch.html, and over here just copy this one, and duplicate it so many times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now go to your browser. As you can see over here, this is what we are having. So now click here and inspect. We need to give it some margin in the recommended video. So click on the plus icon. Click on this one. So remove this one from here. And also remove this one from here. We don't need it. So over here we'll give it a height of 94 ps. Then weight to be 100%. The margin to be 8 ps top and bottom, left and right 0. So now cut this one from here. Go to your watch dots. Paste it here. So as you can see over here, this is what we are having, and it's looking nice.